Jonathan here, DJ Puff the Third. I'm at the allotment and I'm just about to start planting this second fruit tree, an apple tree. It was sunny, didn't last, clouded over, and it's a bit blowy. It's not cold though. So I'm at the top of the plot. The plum tree went in over there. I've cut an old branch off of this Laxton a while back. This is where it's going in. I've basically moved the compost bin out the way, put what was in it in the middle one, and I've dug down to the soil's pretty good down there. Naturally there's a few ants in there, but oh well. And we've got 3 different lids full of soil. It's just a case of putting the tree in the hole now. I'll probably go over there, get some chalk, break it up, shove that in the hole, and I've got some compost that was already in the compost bin that was there. So this is it. Apple Lord Darby cooker, traditional Victorian cooker. Lord Darby, not cheap. Apple Malice Lord Darby M106 stock. Yeah, so this is going in, and it's already a pretty big tree. It's better to get bigger trees. You've got less time to wait for them to fruit, I guess. So this is going in now. And soon the trees will be waking up. You can see that the plum, the Mirabelle plum from finaly, is breaking into blossom now. But yep, this is going in the ground, this apple tree cooker. Then somewhere under here, not there, but around here, I think you got the Laxton tree, and about here somewhere is where I buried Treasure, my guinea pig, years ago. She's under here somewhere. I did try to put a Magnolia stellata there, but it didn't survive. So another black plastic pot free, and I think we're going to get on with it. I don't think I'll be planting any more trees after this. I think the priority is now get rid of all this crap here, burn all this and all this rubbish, try and find a way to get rid of this rubbish. Maybe one day in the future, I don't know when, this may be cultivated, or may be able to actually grow something, also health depending. But yeah, here we go, another tree going in.